Yo, what is up, everybody? Back with another pair of Lowheat. It's been a minute. Very excited to open this pair. Stoked that I got it. You already know what it is from the thumbnail and the title. Before I unveil these, plug for the channel, subscribe. It's the only free subscription out there nowadays. And check out my podcast where I talk, low heat, shoes, streetwear, fashion. And yeah, if you haven't seen it, please check it out. Please subscribe. Also plug for another video. I did another video at the end of the year, my top low heat of 2024. Please check that out if you want to know. If you might be interested in what I thought was the best low heat of the year, check that video out. I appreciate it. Now, get into these. Look at this giant box. This is the biggest box I have ever received from Nike. It's enormous. I woke up early, tried for 3 different Doernbecher Freestyle sneakers. And I tried, if you don't know what the Doernbecher Freestyle program is, you probably do, but it's a program that Nike does in conjunction with the Doernbecher Children's Hospital in Oregon. And each year they help design special set run of shoes with like 5-6 different children who go there for various reasons, and Nike helps them design their own like dream shoe, and then they put them out to the public. All proceeds go towards this wing of the hospital. So this is a giant box. It looks like 2 shoes, but maybe it's just 1 shoe in each box. Anyways, I tried for 3 pairs. Had my lady try for... she tried for 1 pair, and then she signed up for 1 pair for me, my size, and that's the one that hit. So in 5 tries between the 2 of us, she hit on 1 pair for me. But yeah, here's the box, like a giant double box. Oops, here, let me show you the style code and everything. So yeah, as I said, you already know what it is, but she was able to hit on for me the Nike Air Max 180. The Doernbecher, I guess this is the 20th year of the Freestyle program, or 20th run of it, maybe not year. I got them in size 12. I always go half size up when I haven't, tried on a model before, just to be safe. So I have never owned a pair of Air Max 180s, nor can I remember trying on a pair. So I went half size up just to be safe. Multicolor is the official color code. That's my recommendation to you all. Always just, when in doubt, go half size up. It's not the end of the world if they're a little loose or a little big. All right, here's the unveiling moment. Remember to subscribe. Check out my podcast. Check out my top low heat of 2024. We'll talk, but after I unveil these, we'll talk more about other stuff, pricing, etc. The other shoes. I'll try them on, so don't leave right away once you see them. Ooh, what the? Look at that. I've never had a pair of sneakers with this like bifold platform style box. That's pretty dope. That's cool. A little display platform. All right, we already got bonus laces, like iridescent tips, green and blue to match. Looks like it comes stock though with black, and then it looks like woven in is 3M material. Same iridescent green lace tips. Really cool. Right off rip, I think we're keeping the black laces in. These are already pretty wild. The black, I think, helps, keep it a little subtle. And then at nighttime, they're going to show out with the 3M. So, but like the extra bonus laces. All right, let's pull one of these out here and see. Okay. All right, here's our boy Jakai Taylor, who designed these. Age 9, hometown Oregon. He had type 1 diabetes. So these were heavily influenced by soccer, I read on the Nike website. But as this points out, and the Nike website points out, that the outsole glows in the dark. So that's awesome. Screenshot that, read that if you want. So shouts to Jakai. Hope he gets better. Hope the hospital helps him. And yeah, proceeds help that out. I just tossed him in there. But him and Nike designed a dope shoe. I love this one. This is so cool. I've never owned a pair of Air Max 180s, and ever since I like got back into sneakers and saw those Comme des Garçons, the CDG Air Max 180 line, the pink and black ones and the white and pink ones, and the three variations, I wanted those so badly. I've Yeah, I was never able to get a pair. I've resisted on all the GRs. The Baltic Blue Air Max 180 came out this year, and I was very tempted. I think it's even gone on sale, but like I've really tried to hold back and only get things that I truly, truly want. And I love it when there's collabs on like normal models, you know, not hype Jordans or hype Air Maxes. I love it when there are collabs, if you want to call this a collab, kind of like harder to get GRs essentially. Like everyone might have an Air Max 180 from wherever, but it's harder to get this one. If you are looking for a GR though, check out Champ Sports and my affiliate link in the bio. Another plug. Use my affiliate link. I would appreciate that. But see, he had all these soccer patches made with these, which is cool. I like that shield, that crest there. Those bonus patches you can put on. I don't know if I'll be rocking the crest, but I do think that's cool. Oh, these are fire. Jakai killed it with the patches. You got like a pickaxe, shiny, glitter, this reflective, shiny Nike bubble swoosh. Kind of matches the bubbles on the Nike swoosh on the shoe there, and a soccer ball patch with a Nike crown, and the Air one, little bubble action there. These are fire. I love these. Yeah. So here we go. So you got like a bubble swoosh on the side with literal bubbles inside, bubble design inside, kind of this Nike lightning motif all around the cage there, the suede cage, this nylon, whatever polyurethane material, stretch material. I'm not going to just say words that I don't know, but I really like this like ombre fading effect, dye treatment, which has been very popularized a lot by Lorenz, and as you can see, other brands have taken it on. And then you have Jakai's name on the insole. Let's get out this other one here. You can see Jakai's name there. The approval stickers got doubled up in the right instead of one in each. Upper contains synthetic leather. So this is synthetic leather on the top, which I kind of tell. These are a little heavy. I did get size 12. I am a big footer at times. It looks just off rip. Probably could have gone true to size, but you know, you got to always be safe. Here's the outsole. So glow in the dark outsole. There's the tread. I like the green toe tips. Really cool. There's the bubble. All right, let's try these on. I also really wanted the Pegasus ones, the brightly multicolored Pegasus ones with the cat patches. Really wanted those. I might get those. We're in different times now. The resale price on those is above retail, of course, but like not crazy. Not crazy at all. You're going to be paying basically, I don't know, 40, 45 bucks above retail, 50 bucks, 60. So I might, if we get flush with a little extra cash, maybe sell off a shoe or two, I might go ahead and cop those off of a resale platform. We'll see. I'm very tempted. These are basically going for kind of like retail. It looks like most people who are listing these are just trying to get their money back. So if you want these, look at your sizes, look at the prices. These are not too bad at all. It's basically a little bit, it seems like people just clearing retail to make their money back. So you'll pay, a little bit more than I did getting them off sneakers, but nothing crazy. These are very attainable if you really want these. Jakai 30 on the back. I think that's his soccer number, I think. 180 stamped on the back there. The ones that I also wanted that are going for crazy resale are the Sabrina 2s. The pink basketball shoes, the Sabrinas. Those I looked up before I made this video. Those are going for stupid. money in the 400s to like 600s. Like last sale was like, I don't know, 500, 600 in size 12. So clearly all the basketball players and people who hoop really want those. I know the Sabrina 2 is a popular basketball and hooping shoe, so it's not that shocking, but just when I first saw these two resale prices, like, oh, wow, things aren't crazy. I was just assuming that one would be too, and no, that one is definitely the sought after shoe of the group, which I thought the Pegasus would have been, the one that everyone wanted and went for a lot of money. But yeah, the Sabrina 2 is the one. Okay, here I'm wearing right now is the Air Max Plus Cold Wall collab. Really like these. I've been loving these ever since I got them. I wear these a decent amount, I would say. I would say a great winter Air Max shoe. Not for the conditions, but it looks like a winter Air Max shoe. I wouldn't like wear these in snow or anything, but like it looks wintry. And actually, upon sliding this in, I'm kind of glad I got a size 12. The enclosure, sliding them in, everything feels snug, but not too snug. I'm sure my foot will expand after walking a bunch, so I'm actually kind of glad I went half size up, like up here, closed around the foot, the bridge of the foot. I can feel it snug, but not too snug. I just know, I can tell if I went true to size 11 and a half, these might be just a little uncomfortable, take a decent amount of breaking in. And so actually kind of glad now that I went half size up. Oh, jeez. Sorry for the motion sickness. See what I mean? These are kind of hard to get in. It's kind of like one of those like ankle sock situations where it just stretches. Also, I got a tripod between my legs. Yo, two tripods between my legs. Okay. So yeah, size recommendation. If you aren't experienced with Air Max 180s, I'd go half size up. But I can clearly tell I'm not standing up. I do have room at the end of the toe. It's not a length issue. It's a girth issue. I have a girthy foot. So yeah, that's my recommendation on sizing. These, okay. Yeah, I mean, I don't have to tell you guys, like, do these not look fire on foot? These look sick. I love these. And I'm getting older. To some of you who might be my age, these might be a little wild, but like, I think this is the perfect mix of not, playful childishness design, but like not too, I would rock these. I'm gonna have no problems rocking these. I think these are dope. I think Jakai and the Nike team killed it. I really like these. I'm glad this is my first pair of Air Max 180s. And not a lot of people are going to have these. Yeah. Oof. As for a rating, I don't know if I'm going to give these like a... Do these get 9? I think these get very close to a 9. I think if I had those Pegasus, I would give those maybe a 9. Obviously, I don't have them in hand, but just like based on looks and me liking so much, I bet those would get a 9. And those I also know are super comfortable. That was the other reason, having a super comfortable collab pair of shoes. That was really what I wanted. Air Maxes are always, they're not that comfortable, to be honest. I'm sorry. They look dope, but they're not that comfortable. I think, and they call these the 180s because like the bubble looks like it's being cut off, like being cut in half, bisected. So I think that's the purpose of the 180s. It covers the whole, it kind of looks like it goes the whole outsole to the other side. I think that's the whole intention there. I think I'm going to give these an 8.75. Very, very nice. Very dope shoe. Love them. 8.75. Super cool. So shouts to Jakai. Hope he gets well and all the treatment he needs. And same with the other kids. Yeah. Remember to subscribe. Check out the Lowheat show. And check out my top Lowheat of 2024. One more plug. Oh yeah, I've been use my affiliate links, and I've been doing some sports cards rips on another channel, new channel. Go to my homepage of this channel, and you can find Lowheat or no, Fancy Pants Investments can check me rip packs to try to get a Louis bag. So check out those shorts, those clips, ripping packs to get a Louis bag. Fun little series. Peace.